Accident, something that happens by chance or without planning injure, to cause harm or damage to a person or animal. Emergency, a serious, unexpected, and often dangerous situation requiring immediate action. Ambulance, a vehicle equipped for taking sick or injured people to the hospital, typically with flashing lights and sirens. Hospital, a place where people who are ill or injured are treated and taken care of by doctors and nurses. Paramedic, a person who is trained to give emergency medical treatment to people who are injured or sick. Transport, to take or carry people or goods from one place to another in a vehicle. Siren, a loud noise that is used as a warning or signal, especially in emergencies in vehicles like police cars or ambulances. Trauma, a severe emotional shock and pain caused by an extremely upsetting or stressful event. Rescue, to save someone from a dangerous or harmful situation. Collision, an instance of one moving object or person striking violently against another. Brave, ready to face and endure danger or pain, showing courage. Accidental, happening by chance or accident, not planned. Unintentional. Emergency responder, a person who is trained to respond to emergencies and provide assistance to those in need, often working for services like police, fire department, or ambulance. Careful, paying close attention to avoid causing harm or damage. Can you spot the target words in these sentences? 1. I saw an accident on the road yesterday. 2. Be careful not to injure yourself while playing sports. 3. Call 911 in case of an emergency like a fire. 4. The ambulance arrived quickly after the call for help. 5. My friend is in the hospital recovering from surgery. 6. The paramedic helped the injured person at the scene. 7. They used a helicopter to transport the injured hiker. 8. The siren of the ambulance was loud and alarming. 9. The car accident caused severe trauma to the driver. 10. The rescue team saved the hiker trapped in the mountains. 11. The collision between the two cars was very serious. 12. The firefighter was brave during the rescue mission. 13. She made an accidental mistake while cooking dinner. 14. The emergency responder arrived swiftly after the call for help. 15. Be careful when crossing the street to avoid accidents.